In a previous video, I reviewed the Maysama red light therapy panel, which can be used on the face and also in other areas of the body. In this video, I have the Maysama Prana LED light therapy mask. We'll do a comparison of the two so that you can determine which might be right for you. Hi, I'm GloryB, and this is GloryB-TV, a lifestyle channel for mature women who want to look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully. Now, in the previous video, I discussed how athletes are using red light therapy to heal faster and better after injuries, and I put links to articles in the description box which discuss the many benefits of this type of therapy, red light therapy, that have been discovered so far. I'll also link to those articles in this video in case you want to do more research. Now, red light is also used to bring healing to the skin, including the face, whether that is to soften fine lines or to heal acne. Everything I'm talking about today is listed and linked in the description box below the video. On a phone or tablet, go below the video and tap the word "more" twice to open the description box completely. Then scroll down to where it says products shown or mentioned. I'll also list a link to everything in the first comment. Now, on a phone or tablet, go below the video and you'll see the word comments. Tap it once and all the comments will pop up. For the first comment listed there, tap read more and it will open completely. Then scroll through it for all the links. And don't miss the discount code for the red light therapy devices. I have a discount for you if you want to purchase the red light panel or the mask or any of the other items that Maysama sells. And by the way, about twice a month, I send out a brief email to my list of viewers with links to new videos, and I'll also share some other recent finds you might like. If you're interested in that, I'll also share with you my best anti-aging tips in a 3-page document. To get it, go to my website, GloryB-TV.com, and on the home page, click the Get the Tips button. On the next page, type your email address, click the pink Get My Tips button, and you'll get the tips. I'll also include the direct link in the description box and the first comment. Okay, so just like the red light therapy panel, which I have here, the red light mask offers red light and infrared light therapies. Now, the red light only mode reduces erythema, improves skin tone, brightens skin, and increases fibroblast proliferation, which means it helps cells to make collagen. The red plus near infrared mode does the same, but in addition, it increases elastin production and boosts circulation. The mask also has a third mode available, and that is red light plus blue light, which they call magenta. Now, this magenta mode reduces acne, blemishes, redness, and inflammation, and it regulates excess oil production. So what's the difference between the two, the panel versus the mask? Well, let's look at the wavelength available in each. For the panel, we're to sit 6 inches from the panel lights. In the specifications for the panel, it shows the wavelength being between 660 nanometers and 850 nanometers. This is referring to the red light, which is at 660 nm, and the red plus infrared light, which has a wavelength at the higher end, typically between 810 and 850. The panel also has a stronger wattage at 200 watts. Now, the mask has similar wavelengths to the panel with the additional option of the blue light. So the red light ranges from 630 to 660 nanometers. The red plus near infrared can go from 630 to 660 and up to 850 nanometers. And then that magenta with the blue light can go down to 450 nanometers. The mask wattage is 15 watts. Now, the mask, of course, can be used only on the face, but while you wear it, you can do other things. It has a separate charger battery. They call it a controller that you plug into the mask cord. And while using the red light mask, you can watch TV or do a few other things around the house while you wear it. The panel, on the other hand, can only be used while you're at a table. I listen to music while I use the panel. And of course, the panel can be used for other parts of the body. I read someone's comment recently saying when her mother had a skin condition on her back, this woman had her mom sit with the red light panel facing her back for 6 to 10 minutes twice a day, and in a few days, her skin cleared up. Now let's take a look at how the mask works. So here I have the controller. The top button is on off, and this is where we can also change it to pulse light. The middle button is the mode, and the bottom button is the time. So I'm going to turn it on, and it starts out saying the brand name, and then I'm going to try to get past my bright lights, and you can see, well, it starts off at 1 minute, it starts counting it out, but we can change that. So the top thing says red, and that's the mode. So I'm going to change the mode in this middle button, press it once, and it goes to red and NIR, which is near infrared, and then press it again, and that's red-blue. That's the magenta. So I'm going to put it back. I always go to red, near infrared. You can see on the top right, that's the battery. It's fully charged. And then the pulse is the next one, P, that's set to off. So I press the on-off button just 1 second. That would change it to a pulse, but it's not as pulsating as the panel. It just gives you a different wavelength, and they suggest that when you use it with the pulse, that you only use it for 6 minutes, and with pulse off, you use it for 9 minutes. And then we can change the time. So then let's change it back to red NIR. And then the bottom is the time. So I press it once to get 3 minutes, second time for 6 minutes, third time for 9 minutes, and it starts counting down right away. So if I'm doing pulse, I'll do 6 minutes. If I'm not doing pulse, I'll do 9. And it turns off automatically when I'm done, but I can also turn it off by pressing and holding. My face is freshly washed. I'm not wearing any skincare products. The controller is charged and connected to the mask's cord. The mask comes with soft, adjustable nylon straps with Velcro that I've already attached. I like to turn it on first here so that you can see that the red lights are on. Then I hold the mask up to my face and press the Velcro together at the back of my head to secure the mask in place. Next, I press the mode button to choose the red plus near infrared mode. If I want pulse light, I press the on-off button once. Otherwise, for continuous light, I leave it as is. Then I press the time button to choose the number of minutes. For pulse light, I choose 6 minutes. For continuous light, I choose 9 minutes. When the time is up, the mask turns off automatically, and then I remove the mask. So which is right for you, the panel or the mask? Well, that depends on how you want to use it. Do you want it only for your face, and do you get bored sitting? Then the mask may be the right choice for you. If you want it for your face and for other areas of your body, and you don't mind the time sitting with it, and like me, you'll listen to music while sitting with the red light panel, then the panel may be your best choice. If you want to see my detailed review of the red light panel, tap its image on the right side of your screen or go into the description box or the first comment, and I'll have the video linked there as well. Make sure to also check the description box and first comment for links to the products, and I'll see you in the next video.